So this is my heart. Here is my line. So this is going to be my anterior side, and this is going to be my posterior side. This is going to be my left side, and this is going to be my right side. This is going to be my right ventricular. This is going to be my right atrium. This is going to be my left atrium, and this is going to be my left ventricular. Right here, separating the two ventricles is going to be the interventricular septum. Right here at the bottom is going to be my apex. Right here are going to be my pulmonary veins. And up here is going to be my aorta. And right here, the little strings are going to be my coronae tendae.
Did we all?